How to stop backup on WhatsApp in iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings section, and let's just go back here. And here on your settings option, the very first option, you will see your iPhone's name or your name, where you can see your Apple ID, your iCloud, your media and purchases. So tap on that, and here it will look like this. And here you will see the first section, you'll see name, phone numbers, email, etc. Now what you want to do next is to go here to your second section where you can see iCloud. Tap on your iCloud here, and here you will see apps using iCloud. And here you'll see the list and tap on show all. Then what you want to do next is to scroll down and look for your WhatsApp application here. And as you can see, I have seen this WhatsApp application. What you want to do next is to untoggle the WhatsApp. So here, untoggle that, and basically you have now stopped backup on in WhatsApp and iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.